Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot Collective Love Reading. Collective to, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Importante yung pinaka-reading, kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, maaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi, wag natin ipilit. Okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading. Ayan, ngayon may limited time offer ako kasi alam niyo naman hindi talaga ako nag-reading. Pero kung gusto mo magpa-reading sa akin, limited offer, pumunta ka doon sa TikTok shop ko. Ay, sorry, TikTok. Yan, sa TikTok ko para malaman, i-message mo ko doon, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ayan, para malaman yung ibang details regarding doon. Okay? So, let's start. This is for collective. This is for the sign of collectives. By the way, nakakaamoy ako ng melon. Yan, so let's start your reading. So bibigyan ko ng hint yung iba. Bibigyan ko yung hint ng iba. Yes po, may bayad yung aking reading. Sorry to say. Because time is money. And yeah. Separation is here. And self-worth. Oh, this is you. Possible na may separation or pagkakalayo kayo nitong person na ito. You're focusing on your new beginning. Ayan, nag-focus ka sa mga new beginning mo. For some of you, pwedeng kahit pa paano I feel like for some of you, nag-expect ka pa rin sa person na ito. Or may ina-expect ka na may mangyaring new beginning regarding sa inyo. Please tell me for the sign of collectives, please. Para sa person mo, let's talk about your person. Surrender is here and you do have your release and trust. I feel like itong person na to is there's divine timing na nangyayari sa inyong dalawa ngayon. And maaring may mga bagay siyang gustong mag-take ng leap of faith, you know? Like, I feel like gusto niya mag-take ng risk. Pero parang pinag-iisipan niya mabuti. So, there's something sa inyong dalawa na parang gusto niya mag-take ng risk, pinag-iisipan niya pang mabuti. Nandun na yung kagustuhan, nandun na yung pag-iisip regarding dun sa bagay na yun. What is the situation here? Please tell me. Shuffle ka lang, guys. Shuffle ko lang. This is for the sign of collectives, please. For the sign of collectives. For the sign of collectives. Hindi ko iba sa inyo, hindi mo maintindihan kung anong gusto nitong person ito. Mamaya malalaman naman natin yun, ano? Parang hindi ka naliliwanagan sa kung ano yung mga pinapakita niyang actions, intentions, or what. Kasi pwede may mga pagbabago din sa kung paano siya makipag-communicate sa'yo, connect sa'yo. Na parang naninibaguhan ka. So, I can see yung iba sa inyo may pagbabalik ng connection. Pero ang tanong, bakit biglang ganun? Parang ganun. Yeah, this person could be denying something. So, pwedeng may mga bagay siya dinideny, which is regarding, might be sa kanyang totoong pagtingin sa'yo. Like, not facing the truth. This person is not being honest. Siya nagiging honest sa'yo. Situation na yung dalawa. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng minsan na nagkaroon ng runner and chaser phase sa inyong dalawa. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng isa sa inyo naghabol. Well, I don't know kung sino yon, but some of you may ganon. Isa sa inyo naghabol. Hindi ko masabi kung sino. And then yung isa naman nagpahabol. Alam mo yun. So, ang ending, nagkaroon ng napagod na lang yung isa, alam mo yun. Napagod na lang maghabol. Okay? So, what is your emotions towards this person? Emotion mo sa kanya? For the sign of collectives, please. You do have your Ace, Earth, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. You could be an Earth sign or yung person mo could be an Earth sign. Yun nga, you have confusion. Hindi ka sure. Ano ba talagang gusto niya? Parang ganun. So, nagtataka ka ano gusto niya. Sa ngayon, yung nasa emosyon mo is hindi mo alam kung ano gusto nitong taong to. But definitely, sa ngayon, like may mga bagay kang dapat ayusin sa sarili mo, kailangan baguhin sa sarili mo, sa buhay mo ngayon. So, nandito ka nakafocus. So, regarding sa emotion niya, okay, nagtataka ka sa emotion niya, o nagtataka ka kung bakit nandyan siya, bakit ganyan ang pinapakita niya or what. So, ngayon, ikaw, ang tingin mo sa sarili mo, dapat mo ayusin, dapat mong baguhin yung whatever no, na nangyayari sa'yo. Your person, emotions for you, you do have your masculine and forming structure. Unexpected. So, yeah. May mga unexpected sa inyong dalawa. I would like to clarify itong masculine. Clarify the masculine first, please. Clarify the masculine. For collective. Detachment and cold. So, yun nga. Nagpapaka-cold itong person. Emotion niya sa'yo, guys, is I feel like you're dealing with someone na tinatry niyang i-balance ang kanyang sarili. I feel like what is the situation here? You do have here grip. So, as much as possible, itong person na ito is gusto niyang magstay grounded. You know, it feels like ayaw niya ipakita yung emotions niya ngayon. Like, being cold is someone na being cold or hindi nagpapakita ng emotions at all. Itong person na ito, nagmamatigas. So, doon na lang tayo, nagmamatigas siya sa emotion niya. At the bottom of the deck, there's this obsession. So, ito parang literal na obsession eh. You know when you want something pero bawal, hindi pwede. Halimbawa, you are diabetic. Bawal sa'yo matamis. Bawal sa'yo ang pagkain ng asukal. Like for example, tong picture na to, donuts, no? Pero gusto mo yun. Paborito mo yun. Gusto mong kainin yun. So, kailangan mo tiisin, kailangan mo pigilan ng sarili mo. And that's what this person is feeling right now. Maybe he or she is obsessed with you. Likes you a lot. Gusto ka niya. Gustong gusto ka niya. The problem is, hindi pwede. Bawal. Kailangan kong pigilan ng sarili ko. So, yun yung emotion sa person ito. Nagpipigil siya sa sarili niya. Sa pagkagusto niya sa'yo. What will happen in the future for the both of you, for the sign of collectives in the future, please? In the future, you do have here control and facade. Tell me about this. Autumn is here. And the decision, I feel like may mga decision kang kailangan pag-focusan in the near future, and I feel like you will be focusing on yourself. I feel like may mga bagay kang makukuha. Tell me about the harvest, please. And itong bagay na ito is like something na makakapagpabago sa'yo, sa direction mo, sa future mo. Distance is here, retreat or time out. So, may mga bagay kang aalisan in the near future. Pero bago mo alisan is may mga kukunin ka doon or may mga makukuha ka doon. There's this conflict in the near future for you. And I feel like sa ngayon, I mean yung focus mo in the near future is regarding self-love. You will be creating something. Maybe yung iba sa inyo kung ano yung something to do with arts. Yung iba jewelry. Whatever, no? Pero nakakita tayo ng mga creations. Ikaw mismo yung gumawa. So, yun na yung focus mo. Twin flame, you could be dealing with your twin flame and tell me about the future for collectives, please. You do have your regret, guarded thoughts, and avoidance. Okay. Unexpected is here. I feel like itong person na to is like, alam mo, kahit pigilan niya yung sarili niyang isipin ka, hindi niya mapipigilan yun. Like, this person is thinking about you a lot in the near future. Hanggang, noon pa hanggang ngayon, ganun. Lagi niyang iniisip ka, pero pinipigilan niya yung sarili niyang isipin ka. Like, in the near future, there's love, adore, admire, enchantment. This is the love in between the two of you. And I feel like with the gossip here and negotiator, someone will be in between sa inyong dalawa. So this could be a third party situation like with the negotiator. Pag negotiator, alam mo yon, siya yung nasa pumapalagitna. And that could mean a third party situation. And we do have your receipt. So, in the near future, may mga dahilan, which is yun nga, a third party, na pwedeng maging dahilan para maging closed or hindi maging open ang connection ninyo. Like, you do have your threatened and embarrassed appearance. So, be careful. Kasi I can see some of you, may mga hindi kayo inasang pangyayari na maaaring mangyari sa'yo na parang this would cause you na parang panghinaan ka ng loob or possible na panloloko, ganyan. You have to be careful. Realization is here, so be aware dito sa mga taong like awareness is here. So in the near future, this is like a sign for you na may mga bagay ka or may mga sitwasyon kang dapat alisan. Okay? Kasi lalo kang, the more na nag-i-stay ka, the more na nilalaban mo, the more na ikaw ay natatalo. You know, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.